Alright, what's up everybody? So today I have another unboxing video. So this one I have the RK Royal Clutch. It's a keyboard. I'm not sure what the name is because I forgot already. And this is, well, alright, so what's up everybody? So today I have another unboxing video to show. And today's special is the RK Clutch. And it's kind of obvious that I opened this earlier because I was actually quite excited to see what it looks like. I don't remember the name of the keyboard, but this is how it looks like. So I unwrapped everything already, so this is not used. I just opened this like a few minutes ago or so. And like, this is like about like $40, so it could be in the budget if you want. But this is pretty heavy. But who am I to say? This is a mechanical keyboard. So first look, it's kind of bad. So there's a wire here. Put that away. So basically, first time typing, it's not so bad, but I kind of do like it. It kind of feels like a regular mechanical keyboard or gaming keyboard, however you want to call it. And they also come with this wire to connect. So this is a Bluetooth. You can connect this with Bluetooth or you can just use a wire. But I honestly prefer the wire because I don't like waiting for the Bluetooth to connect. So I'm gonna plug in the keyboard and let's see how it is. Alright, so the keyboard is plugged in and this is how it looks like when it's glowing. So I'm going to turn the lights off to get a proper view of how it looks like. Alright, so this is a keyboard when the lights are off. Personally, I think it's alright. It's not so bad or it's just terrible. This is like a turquoise color. I'm not sure what you call it, or aqua color, but on the phone it looks blue, but it's actually not. This part, it looks pinkish in the video, but it's actually red. But other than that, I think it's fine. So this is one of the modes. This is like the regular modes. Like you press the button, the thing turn off and turn back on again. So to change the mode, you press FN and this button. So there's several different modes. I'm not sure because this is new to me. Then there's this mode where you can go like this. I actually like this mode, but the only problem is like I can't see it when it turns dark, and that's one problem for me. Then there's this. So it just goes by a line. It's not so bad, I guess. Then this part. I guess this is like the regular keyboard. It's just lights, nothing too special or anything creative. So I actually prefer this if I'm working late at night because it's kind of hard to see the keyboard when my room is dark. So I prefer this so honestly, it's not bad or anything like that. I guess this keyboard is, so it brights up and turns off, as you can see. It's not so bad. Then this, it's just a wave. I actually do like this too. That's one thing. Oh, this is a wave too. It's also, oh, nothing too special. Yeah, this one, nothing special. Oh, Matrix? No, I'm joking. So this is actually a pretty cool keyboard. For a $40 keyboard, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, I think, yeah. So basically, this is it. Oh, no, this is new. So I believe this is all the keyboard's function they have. Yeah, so this is all the keyboard's function they have. I wouldn't connect to the Bluetooth, but like, this thing is pretty heavy, I guess. So I'm gonna turn the lights back on to show you. Alright, so this is a keyboard that so this is a new keyboard, and the original keyboard that I've been using is this. Alright, so this is the keyboard. This is the new keyboard, and the original keyboard I've been using is this. This is a wireless Bluetooth keyboard. I believe it's from Mumuso. I'm not sure how much it costs, because I bought this in Vietnam, and like I don't know how to convert Vietnamese bills to American bills. So basically, size comparison, same. So this keyboard is basically a replica of the Magic Keyboard, but it's a little bit more flat, I guess. But like, I'm getting off track, so I actually don't know which keyboard. So this is a comparison to the keyboard I've been using, the Mumuso and this. Honestly, my first time using this keyboard, I'm already in love with it. This keyboard, it's good and all, but then like, not really into it because I've been using it so much. But I kind of like this feel like better. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm definitely gonna leave the link of this keyboard down below. So make sure to subscribe and like, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.